heavy-handed. We use this expression when we want to say that unjust force has been used to crush or suppress someone. Let's have a clipping here.
After 3 weeks of intense protests from over 600,000 Turks against the government of Islamist Prime Minister Recep Tayyip Erdogan, during which thousands were arrested and injured, many as a result of heavy-handed police, many of the demonstrations have now stopped.
Let us paraphrase the usage here. Many of the demonstrations have now stopped as a result of the heavy-handed response by the police. Heavy-handed response. Extreme, forceful, drastic. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here. Now, there's a secondary meaning to the phrase heavy-handed. Heavy-handed is also used for someone who lacks physical movement skills, especially with hands. So someone who is maladroit, someone जिसको soft तरीके से काम करना नहीं आता, we use the phrase heavy-handed for that person. For example, a heavy-handed mechanic. So एक ऐसा mechanic जिसको हाथ से अच्छे से काम करना नहीं आता. Hopefully we are getting the meaning here.
OD boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my